Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, it is an IG challenge picture. This look you're looking at right now is on YouTube. It's a collab for a 10-minute makeup challenge. Please check it out and check out all the other ladies. But now I am going to take this hat off . And I am going to do an IG challenge picture. We're supposed to be a sparkling, colorful diamonds. So since I'm already half done and all my face makeup is on, I'm just going to add the other colors. So for this, it's like me changing one eye look to make it look something else. This picture I'm going to take out will be for the IG challenge, but this video is for YouTube. So I'll just finish this and add more color to it and make it very, very colorful for my IG picture. Because it's not a video for IG, we only do a picture. So I'm just doing a whole video and use the picture for IG. One thing I don't know if you have ever noticed. Have you noticed that your to-do list is never done? Never. No matter what you do, there is always something that needs to be added on. As you take one thing off or two things, you have to add more. So the reason why I'm saying that is like a lot of people have a to-do list, including me. And we try to finish the to-do list quickly. Let's finish it, let's get it done, and all that stuff. And we burn ourselves out because we're trying to finish. We're not realizing the to-do list does not end. And we get disappointed with the to-do list. And the to-do list is not the problem. The problem is we have to learn how to not let that to-do list get to us. I hope you're taking care of yourself. It's important to take care of you. Just adding colors, and then at the end I will just do one thing, so keep abreast. I'm just putting them all over. It's not in any particular order, this is just random. Now I'm just going over it like this. So I can create my very beautiful, colorful diamond. I like to encourage people to just do whatever it is that you feel like you need to do. If there is something that you need to do today, go ahead and do it. Because fear is going to hold you back. Don't let fear hold you back. Fear is going to tell you this is not right, this is not good, and you have to make the right judgment because you know your situation. But don't let it be that you're not doing anything because fear says so. I'm just adding more stuff. Because like I say, what I'm trying to duplicate is a beautiful diamond. I'll see if I can pull it up for you. If I can, I will, to show you the picture of what I'm doing. And it is just for it. It is just one IG picture. But since I already have a 10-minute makeup look, I'm doing it now, so I don't have to start all over, because once my makeup is on for the day, it's on for the day. I am looking like the diamond. I am looking like the diamond. I'm just mixing colors and taking colors and just putting it. That's what I'm doing. I'm over here doing that. Just taking colors to make me look like a diamond. A colorful diamond. I always say life is short. It is true. Trust me when I tell you. I have friends who have died years and years and years ago. And I am so thankful to be here, because I am still here. It's a blessing. I had a friend who died 20-some years ago, and her kids were just babies. They were little kids. They grew up not knowing their mom. So cherish life. She passed away, but she was sick. But I'm saying years ago. I was pregnant with my last son when she died. And he is going to be 21 in November. And her kids a little older than him, but they were raised without her around. So I am telling you, life can be gone in a minute. Enjoy it, make the best out of it, make the best out of it. This is that diamond I'm creating on my eyes. This is it. We can pick one color, a couple colors. So this is what my own is looking like. This is for the IG challenge. So this is my diamond. I call it eyeshadow. This is it for today. If you have any problems, try to have it resolved. This is the message for today. Try to resolve the problems that you have, so you can be a little bit more at peace and you can get some rest. Because when we have problems, it usually keeps us up. We all have them. We just have to learn how to navigate them and take care of them and solve them. Today's message is, please have your problems resolved one at a time, a little bit at a time, but have them resolved so you can have a little bit more peace. Again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, Simply Your Makeup, will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon. Again, I use the Culture Palette by Juvias to create this. Love it. You have seen it, so I'm not even showing it, but it is a nice palette.